Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Rob with the DVC shop. Thanks for joining us today. You know, having just celebrated Star Wars Day, May the 4th be with you, I just thought it'd be nice to come on and talk a little bit of Star Wars. So what I thought I would do is bring a little something to show you. Da, 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 da. Yeah, check that out. This right here is one of the Savi Workshop's custom build lightsabers that you can find over at Galaxy's Edge in either Disneyland in California or from Hollywood Studios in Florida. This was an amazing experience. What you get out of this is more than just a toy, right? This is, first of all, let's just talk about this, right? This lightsaber right here is hefty. It's made with metal parts. It's not gonna fall apart on you. You can bang it around, you can move it around, you can, it clips onto your belt if you're gonna dress up and everything. It's just so fun. Everything about it. And then let's talk about this. Yeah, it's $200, right? But look at this, okay? You got fine detail carved throughout. It's so good. Now this is supposed to emulate a little bit of leather, but it's not really leather. And this here at the end, this is the Rancor bone. If you're not sure what the Rancor is, watch Return of the Jedi. That big old monster that tries to eat Luke, that's a Rancor, and this is one of his teeth. So it's pretty cool. It has little slots in here because this is where the sound comes out. Just a lot of fun. The whole experience is so much fun. It's exactly that. You get more than the $200 toy, right? You get the whole show and experience that comes along with it. You're brought into your room, you're set at your station there, and they give you your tray. They give you a one-of-a-kind experience where they do some theming and some acting even, and then the lights are incorporated and they bring in special character voice. I'm not going to spoil anything if you haven't done it, but just know that you're not just getting a toy. Aside from the lightsaber though, you do get a carrying sheath, something that you can put your lightsaber in and carry it around with you. Also, you get a very unique collector's pin that you can wear with honor too. When you go in and build your custom lightsaber, there's 4 different factions you can choose from. There's Peace and Justice, Power and Control, Elemental Nature, and Protection and Defense. These 4 factions are bringing out new colors and new metals that you may not get from the others. And the best part about it is each of those factions are all compatible with one another. So you can go once and get something, and you can go another time and you can switch these parts out. Why not? It's a great idea. I love it. I think next time I'm probably going to go with Power and Control because they add a little touch of red into their silver and it just looks so good. After you walk out, yeah, you leave with these fantastic memories, and yeah, you're leaving with $200 gone, but is it well spent? In my opinion, yes. As a lifelong Star Wars fan, it's great. You get the lightsaber, you get the blade, you get a carrying case, and a special commemorative pin to remember your experience with. To me, that's great. So with the lightsaber, there's 3 different lengths of blades. This is the medium one that comes with it. You put it in, and give it a twist, and then all of a sudden, you got a little igniter, ignition switch right here, okay? And it lights up. It's beautiful. The sound comes out of the bottom. Here, I'll do a sound for you here. The beautiful thing about this is each lightsaber color comes with a different sound. So this one, the green one, kind of emulates Luke Skywalker's lightsaber from Return of the Jedi. There's a purple one that emulates Mace Windu's from the prequel trilogy. There's a red one that emulates a Darth Vader vibe and sound. It's just so fun. Unfortunately, being a DVC member, you don't get a discount on the $200 experience. But what you do get is a discount on any of the accessories that you may want to get. These right here, these are Kyber crystals, okay? These Kyber crystals, you can plug them into your lightsaber and change the color, so you're not stuck with whatever you choose. The ones you can pick from are blue, green, red, and purple. Those colors you can pick while you're building your lightsaber. Once you get out, you can, if you didn't choose a red, you can go buy a blue. These gold capped red ones are special because you can put these also in holocron. These red ones, I'll take it out here, and this is what the Kyber crystal looks like right here. That's it, okay? Now, yes, you can put this crystal in the lightsaber and have your lightsaber turn red, which is really cool. Really dig that. Or you can go pick yourself up one of these, and your DVC discount will work there as well. It ranges from 10 to 30% depending on what kind of specials they're using. So don't forget to ask for that discount. So you can open it up here. You can slide the crystal in, close it, and then you turn it here, and it'll glow and do something. And now, because I have the gold capped red crystal, it not only turns my lightsaber red, but it acts as an 8-ball sort of thing inside the holocron. This is the Sith holocron. There's also a Jedi one. If I were to hold this just right, there's 2 places to hold it.
Choose poorly and you will be destroyed.
It talks to you, right? So you can use this like an 8-ball. So, hey, am I going to be doing a Disney trip in the next year?
Search your feelings. You know it to be true.
Yeah, I think that's true for sure. So anyways, you can have a lot of fun with this. So between the Kyber crystals that you can buy, the lightsaber that you get from the experience, it's really a truly immersive experience and the thing you can do. Yes, each of them costs a little bit of money, but like I said, as a lifelong Star Wars fan, I think it's worth it. I really do, because these are some things that I wish I had when I was a kid. And now my kids are able to go and experience these things too. My son's 9 years old and he loves Star Wars. He gets into it. He loves the expanded universe and all that's there to be offered. So anyways, what do you guys think? Have you been to Savi's workshop? Have you built your lightsaber? If you have, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know what you think about it. Was it worth the money? Or maybe you skip on it. Thanks for joining us today. And if you do want to see our full adventures, head over to YouTube, CampbellChronicles.com. You can find us there. We did a wonderful adventure where we had 2 different lightsaber builds and a bunch of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge experiences. What a phenomenal place. Catch us over there. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you real soon.